Hi students, good morning. In this class we will discuss to exercise 4.2 16 question. Find the rank of the given word. Okay. If the letters of the word garden, given the word garden, are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed or arranged in dictionary, okay, dictionary order, then find the rank of the word. First subdivision garden, second subdivision danger. Okay, here given the word is garden, G A R D E N. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, totally 6 letters. Okay, 6 letters are present in the word garden. Okay, therefore we can arrange in different forms, that is total number of different strings. Okay, here in the first place can be possible to the letter G A R D E N. Okay, totally 6 chances, 5 chances, 4 chances, 3 chances, 2 chances, 1 chances, that is 6 factorial, which is equal to 720 different strings can be formed. Okay, different strings. It means we can form 720 different strings can be formed. It means totally 6 letters we can arrange in 1 to 720th rank. Okay, 1 to 700, maximum number of rank is 1 to 720. Okay, here they are asking the question in the first subdivision garden. Okay, the word garden is occupied in the dictionary order of out of 720 rank. It means occupied, how many numbers occupied in the rank of the word garden. Okay, here in the first subdivision G A R D E N. Okay, the letters arranging in alphabetical order. Okay, arranging in alphabetical order, A is the first. Okay, A is the first and D is the second. Okay, E is the third one, G is the fourth one, N is the fifth one, R is the sixth one. Okay, R is the sixth one. Here in the first one is 4. The number 4 is comparing to the all position. Okay, comparing to the all position. Okay, comparing to the all position. Here 4 is, then the relation is greater than. Okay, then the relation is greater than. 4 greater than 1 is correct. Okay, 4 greater than 6 is wrong. 4 greater than 2 is correct. 4 greater than 3 is correct. 4 greater than 5 is wrong. Okay, totally 3 conditions are satisfied. Okay, here the number is satisfy, the number of condition is 3. Here ignore the left hand side. Ignore the left hand side. Only we take the right hand sides. Okay, only we take the right hand sides. Here 1 is greater than 6 is wrong. Okay, wrong, not satisfied. 1 is greater than 2 is wrong. 1 is greater than 3 is wrong. 1 is greater than 5 is wrong. Here no one satisfy the condition is like as 0. Okay, here ignore the left hand side, we take only right hand sides. 6 greater than 2 is satisfied. 6 greater than 3 is satisfied. 6 greater than 5 is satisfied. Okay, here totally 3 conditions are satisfied. 3 conditions are satisfied. Ignore the left hand side, we take only right hand sides. Okay, 2. Here 2 greater than 3 is wrong, 2 greater than 5 is wrong. Okay, here no one satisfy the condition, so like as 0. Here ignore left hand side, we take only right hand side. 3 greater than 5 is wrong condition. Okay, here 0. In the last one is always take as 0. Okay, always take as 0, putting always 0 in the last position. Okay, here putting the factorials right to left hand side. Okay, right to left hand side. In the beginning is 0 factorial, next one is 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay, here product of two numbers 3 into 5. Okay, 5 factorial, 0 into 4 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 0 into 2 factorial, 0 into 1 factorial, 0 into 0 factorial. Okay, here 0 into anything is 0. Okay, here sum of the all numbers. Okay, sum of the all numbers. 0 into anything is 0, plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 6 is 18, plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 5 factorial is 120, 3 into 120, 360. Okay, here finally we are added 1. Okay, don't forget we are added finally 1, because garden is the one of the word, isn't it? Garden is the one of the word, so we put 1 rank. Okay, we allot 1 rank in 1 to 720, therefore adding 1 finally. Okay, here then the result is 360, 378, 379. Okay, 379. Therefore the garden allotted in the rank is 379 out of 720. Okay, out of 720. Okay, calculate in the second subdivision danger. Okay, D A N G E R. Okay, here arrange the letters in alphabetically. A is 1, D is 2, E is 3, G is 4, N is 5, R is 6. Okay, here in the first one, number 2 is comparing to all numbers. Okay, comparing to all numbers. Then the relation is 2 greater than 1. Okay, then the relation is greater than. 2 greater than 1 is satisfied. 2 greater than 5 is not satisfied. 2 greater than 4 is not satisfied. 2 greater than 3 is not satisfied. 2 greater than 6 is not satisfied. Here only one condition is satisfied, so putting 1 into here. Okay, ignore the left hand side, we take only right hand sides. Here 1 is greater than 5 is wrong, 1 greater than 4 is also wrong, 1 greater than 3 is wrong, 1 greater than 6 is wrong. Here no one satisfy the condition, like as 0. Okay, here 5 greater than 4 is satisfied, 5 greater than 3 is satisfied, 5 greater than 6 is not satisfied. Here two conditions are satisfied, so putting 2 into here. Okay, we take only right hand sides, ignore the left hand sides. 4 greater than 3 is satisfied, 4 greater than 6 is not satisfied. Here satisfied only one conditions. Substitute 1 into here. Okay. Here 3 is not satisfied. 3 is greater than 6 is not satisfied. So no one satisfy the condition. Putting 0 into here. Okay. In the last one always like as 0. Okay. Here putting right to left hand side 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial. Product into 0 into 4 factorial, 2 into 3 factorial, 1 into 2 factorial, 0 into 1 factorial, 0 into 1 factorial. Okay, sum of the all numbers. 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into anything is 0. 1 into 2 factorial is 2 plus 3 factorial is 6. 2 into 6 12 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 5 factorial is 120. 1 into 120 120. Okay, finally we added number 1 is danger is the one word alerted to one rank out of 720. Okay, here 120 plus 12 132, 134, 135. 135. Therefore the word danger is occupied in the rank 135, allotted in the rank 135 out of 720. Okay. Then 18th question, exercise 4.2. 18th question, if the letters of the word funny, okay, letter of the word funny are permuted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in the dictionary order. Okay, arranged in dictionary order. Find the rank of the word funny. Solution, similar. Funny 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 letters allotted in the word. Okay, permuted in the word funny. Therefore, we can calculate the total number of different strings is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1. That is 5 factorial, which is equal to 120 different strings, isn't it? 120 different strings. Sorry, 120 different strings. Okay, it means using 5 letter we can possible in different arrangements in total of 120 ranks. Okay, total of 120 ranks. In our question they are asking the word funny allotted in how many numbers. Okay, how many numbers allotted in the rank out of 120. Okay, solution, given the word funny, F U N N Y. Okay, the letters arranged in alphabetically. Here F is the 1. F is the 1. N is the 2. Okay, N is the 2. Here the letter is repeated means putting the rank is same. Okay, putting the rank is same. Here N2, N2. Okay, then next one U. Okay, U is rank 3. Y is rank 4. Y is rank 4. Okay, Y is alphabetical in fourth order. Here the number 1 is comparing to the all numbers, comparing to the all numbers, to the all numbers. 1 is greater than 3 is wrong. Okay, 1 is greater than 2 is wrong. 1 is greater than 2 is also wrong. 1 is greater than 4 is wrong. No one satisfy the condition here, like as 0. Okay, here listen, in these problems letters are repeated means divide the factorial, number of times repeated like themselves factorials. It means the digit, that is letter n is repeated twice. It means 2 factorial, 0 divided by 2 factorial. Okay, here ignore the left hand side, consider only right hand sides. The number 3, okay, number 3 is greater than 2 is possible. Number 3 is greater than 2 is possible. Number 3 is greater than 4 is not possible. Okay, here satisfy the condition. 2 conditions are satisfied, like putting 2 into here divided by the letter n is repeated twice. It means 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial. Here n is, here 2 is greater than 2 is not satisfied. 2 is greater than 4 is not satisfied. No one satisfy the condition. Putting 0 into here. Here the letter n is repeated twice means 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial. 2 factorial. Here 2 is greater than 4 is not satisfied. So no one satisfy these conditions. Putting 0 into here. Okay, here n and y placed in only once. The letter is no repeated. Okay, here in the last column, the last position, like as always 0. Okay, like as always 0. Always 0. Here putting the factorials right to left hand side. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, that is here 0 by 2 factorial is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Okay, 0 plus 2 factorial is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 factorial is 6. 1 into 6 is 6 plus 0 divided by 2 factorial is 0. 0 into anything 0 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 into anything is 0. Finally we added 1 in all problems. Okay, because funny is the one word. Okay, allotted 1 rank out of 120. Okay, totally 6 plus 1, which gives to 7. Okay, therefore the word funny get the rank is 7 out of 120. Okay, thank you students.